Hello, good morning. Welcome to Eki Traders Institute. My name is Martin Hussein. I'm Chief Eki Traders Institute, and I want to thank you for joining us in this session today. This video is another episode, okay, um, to display to you and to show you how our trading platform works. Okay, we are Eki Traders Institute, and we represent the Billion Coin community, and we are proud members of the TBC community, the coin that takes away poverty, that ends financial struggles, okay, in the lives of as many as hold the coin. It's a unique cryptocurrency, and it's made and created to take away poverty, okay, forever. So if you are here today, it means you're looking for a way to invest in the TBC community, or you're already an investor and looking for a way to cash out your TBC. And this is why this exchange is created, okay? So that you can take advantage of your investment in TBC coin and enjoy financial freedom. All right, so join me now. It's going to be a very short and brief and direct video to show you how to trade, to buy and sell using our exchange platform. Now, when you come to Eki Traders TBC um, fiat currency exchange, for you to get access to this page right here on our website, okay, you need to pay, okay, of course, for your membership, your one-time membership, your one-off membership fee, or $20. When you fulfill that, then you should have access after your account is verified to this very page right here. Okay, what you see right here is the trading rules. Okay, we have terms and conditions in our trading platform that helps us strive stronger and stronger. Okay, and it's very important you read this, and also the disclaimer. Okay, get to read it and know how it works. Then also you have this currency converter right here that's put here, and that's the TBC logo on the right. Okay, we tell you who we represent, and we are proud. We're proud and proud and proud of part of the TBC community. So to use this exchange calculator, what you need to do is to select from. Okay, from. Okay, we're trading US dollars, which is our base currency, USD. Okay, now the default here is in Naira. What you need to do is to put this one as one. That's calculating for $1. Okay, in relation to the Naira, you should have the conversion to this conversion rate right here. It's important to check this from American dollar to one, okay, Naira. So $1 give you equivalent in Naira. Okay, now it's important you check this every day, okay, before 9-10 a.m. in the morning, West African time, GMT +1, to know the the current rate for the day before you start making transactions. Now, the first thing you do when you come to the platform after verifying your account is to buy from the exchange. It's very important because it's your obligation on the exchange to participate actively. On exchange, where you buy and sell, it's a market. You buy and sell. On our exchange is required that you buy some Kringles. Okay, the minimum purchase on the exchange is $10 right here. You can see that $10 right here. Anything from $10 you can purchase it. Okay, you're not buying from Eki Traders right here. You're buying from other traders on the exchange. All right, that's how it works. So first thing you do is to buy. Now you see the standard rates. You see the premium rates. Okay, the premium is from $40 to $200. All right, then the standard rate is anything from $10 Kringles to $34.99 Kringles. Okay, and of course the currency we are trading, our symbol is TBC. Okay, against the US dollars. All right. The reason for that is because the billion coin is higher than the US dollars in value. So that's the way it's created. So that's how it's displayed here. So first of all is to buy. Okay, if you are investing, you're buying these Kringles, that's what you can afford. You click on buy under the standard rates right here, buy. Okay, and this here sell are the expected cash out. Okay, you can cash out for these rates. You can cash out anything between $10 cents to $3. For under these rates, you are trading anything within these rates here. You can cash out up to 0.15 to 4.50. In other words, anything within this range, you can try to cash out $2, of course, $3 up to 4.5 dollars. So that means you decide how much you want to cash out within that range. And of course, you know that buyers also maybe looking at, okay, the lowest price in the market, let me see what I can pick, you know. So you have to use your own discretion right there, so that your TBC can easily be picked on the table by buyers, and you can cash out in time. So you buy, you click on this button here to buy, and this reveals this dialog. So here you put your own cashier ID. Okay, you see some of our members that we have helped to create others right here. You can put your cashier ID here, which is your username. Here you select the amount. Okay, now I missed one step. I need to show you something. Now you see this here. Click me, view standard orders. Click me, view premium orders. These are where your orders are displayed. If you're trading under a premium, you should view your orders right here. If you're trading under standard rates, you should view your orders right here. Whether you bought or you sold or you're buying from, who is selling right now, how much you're selling, everything is displayed right here. Then down here is the escrow account. Now there's a warning we have to state here. It's very, very clear. You should never send money outside of the escrow account, outside of the exchange account, okay? These are the exchange account details. If you're trading in Naira, you have a local bank account here. These two accounts can pay into any of them. Bitcoin, you can transact and pay into this Bitcoin wallet, either this or this, okay? Now, for international members, those in Cameroon, those in Cote d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast, those in Benin, those in Australia. We have members from Canada, we have members from Croatia, we have members from India, I think Pakistan, we have members from different countries. Okay, this right here is the convenient way to trade and transact in the exchange, Bitcoin. Of course, when you are selling TBC back to the exchange, you send your TBC to this TBC wallet address right here below. Okay, I'm going to explain that in a minute. So now, first thing, before you click on buy, you need to know who you are buying from. It's very important. You're not just buying randomly. You're buying from somebody on the exchange who is selling, okay, either of these amounts here. So you click on here, okay, you see different amounts right now, okay, different cashier IDs right here listed here, okay, TBC cashier standard desk, create a buy order. Now you need to know who you are buying from. All right, these ones that are approved here, if you see anybody is approved, it means the person has already bought on the exchange. Okay, these are the buyers right now that are buying. Then you come down here, you scroll down, you see those who are selling right now on the exchange. All right, so you take note of their cashier IDs also. They're the ones selling right now on the exchange. Now, take note of cashier IDs, how much you are selling, discount, we don't allow discount. Entry price. Entry price means how much they bought when they bought, just like you are buying now. That will be your entry price, the amount you bought on the exchange, okay? Now, withdrawal is the amount you are cashing out, which is your entry price, the amount you bought plus your profit you add on top to cash out. All right, so take note of that. So you now look at the list, how much can I afford here? Now, when you are looking at, you should focus on withdrawal. Focus on these amounts because this is the amount you are buying from the person that the person is cashing out. Okay, you focus on these amounts here. You determine how much you want to buy from them. Importantly, you should look at these pages here, page 1, page 2, page 3. As the list populates, as more buyers and more sellers join, you may find the pages increase or decrease depending on the volume in the market. So it's important you check the last pages first. Page 3, okay, you click on page 3, click on page 2, okay, then you determine, you can open a new tab. To open that in a new tab, you now determine who you are buying from those pages because they made it first to the exchange table before this page 1 here. Okay, so if your amount you are buying is on those pages, you pick from there. If it's not on the third page, you now go to the second page. If it's not the second page, you now come to the first page because you can also combine orders to buy on the exchange. Now, if you look at the page 2 that we just opened, let me show you now. You see those on page 2 here. See that this is page 2. You see it's active now. This page 2. That's page 1. That's page 3. We are currently on page 2 right now. You see those amounts are here. They came first before those on page 1. Page 3 came first before those on page 2. So you always scan this place first for buy because if you buy from anybody on page 1, and the amount you're buying is on page 2, your order could be revoked, could be rejected by the exchange. Okay, so you have to contact us to know why. It's very important. All right, so let's close that page and return to page 1. So right now you have taken, let's say I'm buying from Ulumi, for example, and I want to buy $20 from Ulumi. Okay, he's selling $20. Now let's go. Remember, when you're entering your details, you must put a dollar sign. Very important. Now you want to buy from Olumi $20. You come here, you put your own cashier ID here, which is your username. It's case sensitive. If you use capital letters or small letters, you must indicate it the way it is in your profile. Very important, please. Then you select the amount you want to buy, $20 from Olumi. Okay. Now you put the seller's cashier ID right here, Olumi. Okay, that's who you are buying from. It will be displayed on the table. Now your own TBC wallet address, you put it right here. You copy it correctly and put, no mistakes, please. Don't type it with your hand. Copy it correctly and put it right here. Put your phone number and submit your order. Okay, let's just do a test. Let's say my cashier ID. What can I use? Okay, let's say Chief. Okay, Chief Eki. That's my cashier ID. All right. Okay. Now, my TBC wallet address. Let's just put something here quickly. Okay, let's say that's my TBC wallet address. All right. Now, phone number. No. 08031845588. That's my phone number. All right. Put that right there. You submit this order. Now you're going to see what's going to happen right now. The page will be populated with your order. Okay. Let's wait for that to refresh a bit and give us what we want to see. All right. Now to check, you need to. So it reveals to you this page right here. So you see my order I just bought. You see my username right there is there. The amount I bought from the buy is there. Okay, you should also display the seller's cash ID. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. All right, then that is also there. Then there we go. Okay, that's how to buy. Create your buy order. Everything is displayed on the board. Okay, now what if the amount you want to buy from the person is not on this drop down menu? Okay, let's say you're buying $21 from the seller. Okay, and 21 is not here. What we need to do is leave this at 00. Okay, 00, and enter custom amount here. You can enter $21 right here. Oh, that's on dollar sign. Okay, $21 right here as a custom amount. You leave this at 00. You're setting a custom amount right here. Seller's cashier ID, and you continue. Now let's go to how to sell. When it's time for you to sell, after you have submitted your order, okay, you immediately send the money, $20 in Naira equivalent to, if you're paying in Naira, to the escrow account, which is $20 times the current Naira rate. Okay. Okay, $20 times 359.58. You multiply that, you send it to the exchange account instantly without delay. You have 1 hour to do that when you're transacting on the exchange. 1 hour to do that. Okay, you send it. Then after sending it, when you see your status here approved, just like that, you know your funds have arrived on the exchange account. Okay, for the buyer, what you now do is to go and sell. Okay, for the seller, when you have already sold, you should look at the buyer's list. Always look at the buyer's list for a buyer that have chosen to buy from you, because your name will be displayed somewhere around here if you are selling. Okay, so when you see a buyer choose your name to buy from you, let's see if it's right here. Okay, so then you know that your order has been filled as a seller. Then you are way to cash out. Okay, now when you're selling, okay, after you have bought and your order is approved, where is it? Your order is approved like that. It's time for you to now sell instantly without delay. You just go here, click that button, Order type, okay, TBC Cashier standard, confirm order and withdraw. At the same time you're confirming your order, at the same time you're placing withdrawal in case someone buys your TBC on the exchange. So right now you're selling. What are you doing? Are you buying or selling? You're selling. So you see that form pop up right here is where you enter your details. Okay. Order type, which table are you trading? Okay. Um, that's right. Standard rate table, for example. Okay. That should change. Okay, your cashier ID, you put it right here. Your own cashier ID. Your buy order detail. How much did you buy in Kringles? How much Kringles did you buy? You bought $20. You put $20 right here, just like that. Amount sent to the escrow account. If you send Naira, how much you send in Naira? You put it right here. Every detail must be intact. Every detail must be intact, please. So your deposit method, if you use Bitcoin, you select Bitcoin. If you use Naira, you select Naira. If it's Bitcoin for international clients or within Nigeria, you prefer Bitcoin, you put your Bitcoin there, put the Bitcoin transaction hash ID right here, maybe something like that. Okay, put it right there and attach a proof of the transaction. Very important. You must find the transaction, attach a proof of the transaction from your blockchain or your bank statement, your bank, teller, okay, that used to make payment from the bank, or your online banking account showing the transaction. You put a screenshot right here, you attach it from your device, put it right here. Okay, create, now you have to create a sell order. You see, this form is in three different parts. First, here you confirm your order. Okay, how much you bought on the exchange, you confirm that. Then you show us proof that you bought it on the exchange. That $20 you bought it. You attach your proof here. Okay. Then here is now sell your TBC. Your entry price. How much did you buy TBC on the exchange, Kringles? You put that right here. $20. This withdrawal, are you withdrawing the $20? Okay. Are you withdrawing the $20? You put it right here. Now, if you are withdrawing large amounts, let's say up to $50 or $40, and you want to break it into two, you can create two sell orders. Okay, the first one, you put your entry price here. Let's say your entry price is let's say $80, for example. That's what you bought to the exchange. Now your withdrawal price, this withdrawal, you can break it into two. Let's say this one here is 40. You can say $40. This is my withdrawal. Okay, sorry for that break. So if you're withdrawing large amount like that, you can break it into two. The first withdrawal will be 40. You create another sell order. The next withdrawal will also be 40. Okay, you can only break it into two parts on the exchange. All right. So discount, we don't allow discount here. There's no discounting of any kind. So now this is where create a withdrawal request. Or this way you now send your TBC to this withdrawal will be filled when the exchange finds you a matching buyer who makes payment to the exchange account to purchase your TBC or Kringles. Now this is the time when you send TBC to the exchange. You go to your TBC wallet, transfer TBC to the exchange, upload proof of TBC Kringles sent to the escrow account. Now proof, take a screenshot of your TBC wallet showing the transaction. You upload the proof right here. Okay. Then if you're unable to upload directly, you can go to any file sharing website. Okay, there are a lot of them. You can use data file host. You can use Mediafire, that website. Attach the proof there, copy the share URL and put it right here. Then put your TBC wallet address, your bank detail, and your Bitcoin detail must be here. Remember, we only support Paxful.com Bitcoin address because Paxful doesn't charge within Paxful accounts. If you're sending outside the Paxful, they can charge you, but if you're sending within that Paxful, they won't charge you any fees. So we don't want to impose extra fees on you when you are placing your withdrawals. It's very, very important. Okay, Bitcoin transaction fees, we don't want to impose that on you. So you can sell Bitcoin directly from your Paxful Bitcoin wallet. You are in cash and get your cash from there without transferring to blockchain or other wallet. So you put your bank details right here. It must be a personal bank detail. No third-party accounts allowed, please. And put your phone number, select the date, and submit. Okay. When you submit your withdrawal request, you also find it like this right here. Okay. Your withdrawal request will appear on the withdrawal. Those who are withdrawing right now, those who are selling, right now. Okay. So when buyers come into the market, they'll first of all look at your orders to know if they're also buying from you. Then they will buy. On the premium, also the same thing applies. You can go here if you're buying any of these amounts right here on the premium. You can select, the amounts you want to buy on the premium. These are quite higher, and put in all the details and submit. Now, very importantly, there's one thing you must know. On the exchange, it is required for you to refill your orders before cashing your withdrawals. When you have a pending withdrawal, you should create a new buy order before cashing out the previous one on the system. That's a requirement. We're doing that for continuity because of the nature of the billion coin. So, and also the trading term states that when the buyer picks your order to buy from you, once you're on the seller's desk, you have 48 hours to create a buy order to process your withdrawal. If you do not do that within 48 hours, you only receive 50% of your expected cash out will be paid to you, and your account could be suspended. It is very important that you keep your account active. You start trading. Always check the dashboard to be sure that if a buyer has picked your TBC, then you transact immediately. All right, we're doing right now to make sure everybody enjoys the TBC investment. This is not an MLM. It's not multi-level marketing. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not a Ponzi scheme. It's a pure TBC exchange. Okay, an exchange is where you buy and sell. In other words, you have one currency, the other person has the other one. You simply exchange. That's just what it is. That's what an exchange is. It's clean, it's neat platform. Everything is transparent. You know who you're buying from, you know you are dealing with. Okay, we have put all these features to make it a home for TBCians. All right. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm sorry if there is feedback in the background. There is one thing I want to point out here. This spread right here is saying this 3% is what comes out of every transaction from you to the exchange. That's what the exchange takes for every transaction, every cash out you make on the exchange, and for maintaining the platform as well. So we thank you for joining us, and we wish you a very prosperous and financially free trading week. Okay. Thank you, and